Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. When there are mangoes all around you, shouldn't we enjoy them in every single way? Here are not one but three chutneys to go with your lunch. Each one guaranteed to make it lip smacking. The first one is a simple raw mango chutney called Amba Dadailalo. As the name goes, it used to be smashed with a stone mortar and pestle. You need a raw mango, some grated coconut, some chilies. I am using these Kantari or bird's eye chilies which give more flavor for this chutney. Add more if your mango is very soft. Hing and salt to taste. Peel the mango and chop to pieces. Add the coconut, chilies and now grind without adding water to a coarse paste or fine too as per your wish. Add the salt and hing and mix well. This is ready to be served. The next chutney is a Mangalorean Amboli chutney. You need a raw mango, some grated coconut, 2 red chilies roasted in a little oil, 1 green chili, some garlic cloves and salt to taste. Add all these in the mixer and grind to a coarse paste without adding water. This chutney is done too. If you want, you can add hing instead of garlic. This is best enjoyed with hot pej chutney, a roasted papad and some ghee. The third chutney is a Noncha Ambo Chirdilla. We will use a brined mango. I have salted these ones for the past 1 year. For more details about brining, see the link in the description below. We also need 1 chopped chili, a little hing and a teaspoon of raw coconut oil. Chop the chili finely. Then mash the chili and mango with your fingers. You can retain the seed if you want. Add salt only if needed. Add the hing and pour the oil on top. And now you can enjoy this lip smacking dish. This is so good with pej and especially good for the convalescing. So do try out all these delicious chutneys. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.